Easy and delicious dinner, ready in minutes. Start by cutting a unit of zucchini into slices. And if you're wondering if zucchini has a secret, the answer is yes, it's delicious. Now, heat a frying pan with sunflower oil and then add the zucchini slices and fry until golden brown. Look, the magic is already happening. The smell will fill your kitchen. Do not forget to turn over to ensure the same texture on both sides. Remember, we want the crispy zucchini, but we don't want it to feel lonely. Now let's go to the secret. Add in a bowl, 3 units of egg, salt to taste, pepper and mix. It's time to prepare the clothes of the eggs. They will feel so special. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk, a tablespoon of wheat flour, and mix again. This is the trick to make everything creamier and irresistible. Complement with chives to taste, a unit of chopped tomatoes, and mix again. Look how colorful it is getting. After that, transfer the seasoning to the frying pan. Be careful not to leave anything behind, because here we do not like waste. Add mozzarella cheese to taste, and cook for 10 minutes. Who can resist the smell of melting cheese? It's the definition of comfort. Complement with a unit of tomato cut into slices, and if you want, add another little bit of chives to your taste. More color, more flavor. We're getting there. The cheese melted. It's ready. Fast and super tasty. A dish that makes success without needing hours in the kitchen. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and follow our page for more tips like that. We are just beginning this delicious journey. Bon appetit and see you next culinary adventure.